Welcome back to Trish Kitchen. Today we're going to make the most simple recipe. So let's get started. We need 1 large eggplant, some cilantro, salt to taste, paprika, chaat masala. If you don't have that, don't worry. Go ahead and use half of a lemon, some turmeric, and some coriander along with the ginger powder. Ginger powder is optional, but you could definitely, if you have it, go ahead and add it. We're going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of cilantro powder, 1.5 teaspoons of paprika powder. If you don't have paprika, go ahead and use red chili powder. We're going to go ahead and add 3/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon turmeric powder, one and 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder, salt to taste, and like I mentioned, if you have ginger powder, go ahead and add them as well. And we're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. As you guys could see, I have added 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. Let's blend all the spices together. And let's keep that aside. Let's go ahead and cut the eggplant. We're going to cut it around 1/2 inch. Make sure all the slices are almost the same size. Now let's go ahead and coat all the eggplants. Make sure to rub the spice and coat all the eggplant properly. Go ahead and heat your skillet on a medium to low heat and add your choice of oil. Place several of eggplants, leaving some space in between. Let's go ahead and cover them. And we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and check. We're going to go ahead and turn all of them around and cook covered for 3 more minutes. If you feel the eggplants are getting dry, go ahead and drizzle some oil in between. Make sure to cook both sides evenly. Let's go ahead and check. Oh, it smells so good. Let's go ahead and cover this for a few more minutes. There you go, guys. This dish can be eaten as a side dish or can make a quick eggplant sandwich. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.